Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or my Facebook or Instagram, whatever you're watching this video on. If you guys saw my last Pro Cheer and Dance report, I mentioned that I was going to be doing an unboxing of some brand new Poms that I just purchased. So I'm getting ready to do that now. I actually already got one package, so I figured I'd get some exercise, get some steps in, and walk over to go grab my next order of Poms. And then I'm gonna go back to my place and do the unboxing for you guys. I mentioned that I want to be able to give you guys recommendations on some good ones to purchase for practice in case you are planning on auditioning for a team in the near future. I do believe that it is good to practice with Poms and where you can get some inexpensive ones. So I'm going to do that unboxing soon, and then I'm also going to be filming some new sideline classes, so I will be using the new Poms while I'm filming those classes, and then I'll come back on here again after I'm done with that to give you kind of a review on my experience with using them and which ones I think are the best. So in the meantime, I'm going to keep on walking over here to get this package, and I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, hey guys, I am back home and I am getting ready to open these packages. I have so many packages. I have a prime problem, guys, but that's okay because two of these things are for a good purpose. Okay, so just to tell you about the Poms that I ordered. So I ordered a pair from Just for Kicks, and I also ordered a pair from Ico Beauty. I think that's what it's called. So from Ico Beauty, I ordered a pair of hot pink color Poms, and from Just for Kicks, I ordered some silver metallic Poms. So we're going to see how they look. Hopefully they're not too small. This video is also good for any coaches out there who are looking for good recos for Poms. It's been a very long time since I've had the responsibility of purchasing costumes, uniforms, and Poms and all that, and I know it can be a headache. So hopefully this video will help you all out as well. So I think I'm going to start with this box. Now I'm assuming this box is a lot smaller than this box. So I'm assuming that these are stripped or fluffed or whatever you want to call it. And I'm assuming these are not. So if these are not, then I will have to strip them myself. But let's see. Let's open it up. It's like Christmas. All right. So this is probably really dangerous. I shouldn't be using this knife, but it's all I got handy right now. So let's see. Can you hear me? A big pair of Poms, which I'll show you, from Walmart, which were rather large, and they're actually really heavy. So I just use those for my set. But Walmart does sell Poms. They're just a little big and heavy, and I don't really like that. These are kind of heavy, so we're gonna see. I told you I'm gonna be using them while I film my next sideline classes. So we'll see how they work out with me dancing, but so far they're a little heavy. So I would probably recommend something a little lightweight. So hopefully these next ones that I unpackage will be a little lighter. So let's see. I like these. Still kind of big. They are rather large, but they're already stripped. They are lightweight. Like I said, these are a little heavier. Just slightly heavier, not too much, and bigger. But there you have it. I'm drowning in pompons. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so that's the unboxing on those. Hopefully this video helps you get an idea of what these look like. I have the links in all of my descriptions on all my sideline classes where you can purchase these Poms. All types of different colors that you can get. I got silver because I already have gold Poms. I have 2 pairs of gold Poms, one in which I purchased from Walmart, and the other pair is my actual Poms that I danced with. And then these pink ones, which I just love pink stuff. I had to get pink Poms. So yeah, so that's that. Hey guys, so this is a continuation of my unboxing of the new Poms that I purchased. I just finished filming a new episode of The 4 and 2, which of course most of you know is my sideline dance class. So I used these Poms, and I will say I really like them, and they're so pretty. They're a little bit heavy, but not too heavy to where I couldn't actually get through the choreography, where it was a strain. It did give my arms a little bit of a workout, but that's perfectly fine. So yeah, I would recommend these for anyone who is looking for Poms, just for practice purposes. Like I said, it's always good to get acclimated with holding them in your hands while dancing. That way when you do make that pro team, you are already used to holding them in your hands, because it can be an adjustment. So again, I would recommend these. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out the description box below. I will have a full list of all different colors that you can purchase. The direct links will be there to where you can get them. If you're watching this on Instagram, you could just click the link in my bio and go down the list of all of my different posts, and you will see one that says new Poms. Just click on that and it'll take you directly to the page where you can purchase these Poms as well from Just for Kicks on Amazon. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I will be dropping a new episode of the 4 and 2 sideline dance class tomorrow, which is Thursday. So definitely tune into that, learn the choreography. If you do, make sure that you post using hashtag RWDDanceCo, and make sure that you tag me as well so that I can see all of your beautiful faces doing the sideline routines. All right, so I hope to see you dancing, and you all have a great day. Bye.